How to use Meta AI on WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can use Meta AI on WhatsApp. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's begin. So the first step is you'll need to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. So head over to your app store and search for WhatsApp. After you search for WhatsApp, check if there is an update available. There you can see an update button, tap on update and finally update your app. After you've updated the app, you can then open up your WhatsApp. Locate the WhatsApp app and open it up. Now, after you've updated your WhatsApp, on the bottom right above the settings, you'll find a blue circle. That is basically the AI. So if you tap on it, you'll be redirected to Meta AI. And now you can simply start chatting. So here you can see a prompt available as well. So if I just tap on a prompt, it'll start giving me, the replies. So there you can see, you can start chatting. You can ask them for jokes and stuff. So yeah, now you can keep on doing this. You can ask it data. You can ask it questions like what's today's time. Let me ask him what's the time right now. There you can see. Again, you can follow this prompts. You can follow more prompts. You can go ahead and ask it to generate a picture of anything that you like. So it can take some time to generate pictures, but yeah, it does that as well. And that's how you can use Meta AI on your WhatsApp. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.